what you eat has a big impact on the health of your mouth, teeth, and gums. The nutrients we consume through chewing and swallowing are the first point of contact in your mouth and part of the long journey through your digestive system. Consuming too many sugar-filled sodas, sweetened fruit drinks, or non-nutritious snacks may present different risk factors. So today, we're covering eating habits and its effect on dental hygiene. Hello all, welcome back to Thoughtful Thursdays. With August being Dental Hygiene Month, this is a great opportunity to schedule your biannual dental exams. And if you're still in need of finding a dentist, you can go to mysigna.com and that can help you find a provider near you. Here are 3 suggestions about eating habits and its effect on dental hygiene. The first suggestion to maintain good dental hygiene is rinse with water or mouthwash, if available, after drinking fluids such as tea, wine, coffee, or pop. These fluids tend to stain and leave residue on the teeth. Rinsing after enjoying these fluids is important. The next suggestion for good dental hygiene is when snacking, eat foods high in fiber. These include whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lean sources of protein, and fish. Fiber stimulates saliva flow, which reduces cavity-causing bacteria and decreases acidity in your mouth. The last suggestion to maintain good dental hygiene is to limit your sugar consumption. Candies and snacks that are high in sugar and low in nutritional value can cause tooth decays, cavities, and potential discoloration of the teeth. When bad oral bacteria encounter sugar in your diet, this too can produce acidity in your mouth. Try to offset this by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Your nutritional habits contribute greatly to your oral and overall health. It's important to remember to brush twice a day, floss after meals, and visit your dentist twice a year. Eating healthy foods and avoiding added sugars or sweeteners can help prevent tooth decay and reduce your risk for gum disease. Being mindful of our eating habits may not only help our dental hygiene, but ensure we enjoy a healthy smile for many more years to come. We have a few reminders and announcements for you guys. We have some exciting events coming up for our employees. So make sure to check out our wellness boards and wellness website for more details. We have a Financial Friday segment on market volatility. That's tomorrow, August 23rd at 12 p.m. Coach Travis is hosting a live workout session on resistance band training on Monday, August 26th at 12 p.m. I will be hosting a live meditation and deep breathing session on Thursday, September 5th at 12 p.m. Our wellness-sponsored races and events kick into high gear this September, starting with Bike the Drive on September 1st, followed by Run the Mag Mile on September 7th, as well as another fitness festival, Strength in the City Fitness Fest on September 15th. These events have deadlines coming up soon, so be sure to register today. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and comment. We'll see you next time.